This birthday flyer took just 3 minutes to create using AI. No Photoshop, no graphic design experience. Let me show you exactly how to create one from scratch. Just type your prompt and the AI generates it instantly. That's how simple it is.
So first thing first to do is to come to Pinterest. Pinterest is an app where you can get your inspiration from. You can download on Play Store or Apple Store. So when you come to Pinterest, the first thing you're going to do is to type in birthday at the search bar here. So you type in birthday, then you search for your preferred template, what you can actually use to get inspiration. You have a lot of options to choose from here. So once you get your inspiration, you pick, but I am using this. So when you're done with that, you head on to your ChatGPT. So when you come to your ChatGPT, the next thing you need to do is to upload your inspiration birthday picture. So we are going to upload templates. So these are templates, the one we are using. Then after uploading, then you add this prompt. So we add this prompt, and what this prompt will do, it said, this is my design template. Study the layout, the colors, the font, the style. Do not generate anything yet. Just wait for my next instruction. Now, this is what this prompt will do. We analyze the inspiration or the template. Then it will study everything, the layout, the color, everything. Then we'll be waiting for you to give an instruction for you to actually create or replicate exactly what we have here. You get that point? So we're going to send it now to our ChatGPT. Then when you are done with that, what we can see now, he has actually analyzed it. Then when you are done with that, we are going to send in your own picture. You can see this picture. So let's say, for instance, you are designing for a client. The client will send his birthday picture, the one you want to use, the name of your client, the belated birthday. Okay, this aspect we need to remove it. Then the courtesy of who. You get the point. Then all this. So I'm going to now send in all those details. So this is how to get it done. So I'm going to upload my home picture now. So if you want to upload, then you come here. So I've uploaded my image, then you can use this prompt. So if you need this prompt, there's that one that I'm using. Drop it in the comment section and say, I need this prompt, and I'm going to send it to you right away. Now you're going to use this prompt. Use desert layout, style, and design as the template I uploaded. Create a new version with this photo. Replace the placeholder. Then you may ask yourself, which placeholder do we have here? Number one, the reference image, the name, the belated birthday. So we're going to actually replace them. The name, I'm going to put Adebayo Oluwaseun. Then the birthday, that's let's say 37th birthday. Then what else do we have here? So you are going to check your template. You look at what needed to be, okay, courtesy. So you're going to come here. So courtesy. Then what else do we have? Then in local creative style and all those things. So anything you need to remove, you're going to indicate it here. You get. Then we need to put in the date. So the date, I'm going to put July. So any other information you need to put, then if you want to remove anything, you can just indicate which one to remove. You get, then you send it. So what ChatGPT will do is to actually replicate a new version, an improved version of the image of your template, and to produce it for you. Perfect. So just watch it out in a few minutes. Now see our final outcome. This is actually amazing and beautiful. And if you want to download, you can come here and download, and you can get this thing done, everything done in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Your design is ready. So if you need the prompt I actually used to make this happen, please drop it in the comment section of this video. And if you want to get more content like this on how to actually use AI practically AI into our individuals life practically, make sure you follow and like this video. Then another thing I need to say before I drop the mic is that if you want to make any changes, just instruct the AI. Okay, change the name, change the color, okay, change the layout, change this and that. You get, and the AI will get it done for you as quick and as possible. You get the point. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, check the comment section and make sure you drop "I need this prompt," and I'm going to send the prompt to you right away.